Parrots on a branch in a nature reserve. Parrots on a branch in a nature reserve. White, blue-eyed cat. White, blue-eyed cat. Blue butterfly over white flowers. Blue butterfly over white flowers. Blue butterfly over white flowers. White tiger resting and yawning. White tiger resting and yawning. A herd of lions walking. A herd of lions walking. A couple of cats in the snow. A couple of cats in the snow. Giraffes and ostriches in the zoo. Giraffes and ostriches in the zoo. Giraffes and ostriches in the zoo. Herd of deer in the forest. Herd of deer in the forest. Mother and baby monkey in the forest. Mother and baby monkey in the forest. Colorful bird on a tree. Colorful bird on a tree. Eagle eats a fish in the lake. Eagle eats a fish in the lake. African elephants walking on a dusty ground. African elephants walking on a dusty ground. Panda resting on a tree trunk. Panda resting on a tree trunk. Peacock walking on sand. Cute red kitten sleeping in the couch. Monkey eating from a coconut. Monkey eating from a coconut. Bee flying around blue flowers. Bee flying around blue flowers. Little dog running in snow in slow motion. Little dog running in snow in slow motion. in a stable chewing its food. Hungry baby bird in the nest. Hungry baby bird in the nest. Redfin tinfoil barb swimming in fresh water between rocks. Redfin tinfoil barb swimming in fresh water between rocks.